Okay, so today guys, we're going over to Koh Larn. We're going to hop on a speedboat from Pattaya, Bali High Pier, zoom over the water. We're going to go check it out, see what it's like. That was the rockiest experience I've ever had. Got here quick though. Hey, we've just checked into the room, got a good view. You probably can't see it on the camera, but all the way over there is Pattaya. Okay, so we've just come to the other side of the island. Nice beach here. We're going to go check it out in a bit, but we're just going to get some food because we're pretty hungry now. Let's go find some food. So for those of you that don't know, Koh Larn is a short hop away from Pattaya, 30-minute boat journey by speedboat. You can come here, it's a nice day out, it's nice to get away from Pattaya for a bit. The sand here and the beach here is a lot nicer than any beaches in Pattaya, so it's definitely worth the journey. So while you're here on Koh Larn, you can rent a jet ski, get a motorbike and just cruise around the whole island. You only want to stay here for about a day or two really, because there's not that much to do here. Pretty much see and do it all in that time. Wild ride, I'm absolutely drenched. Good, yeah, good. Okay, so that was the day at the beach, it's been a load of fun. We're going to go back to the room now and have a shower and chill out. I'll see you in the next part of the video. Yes, we've got matching shirts on today. All our clothes got soaked yesterday and she insisted that she wanted to buy matching shirts. Wasn't going to say no. So the place that we're staying, in case you were wondering, is called Great View. You do get a great view of the whole island here. Pay 1,500 baht, you get the room, you get a motorbike and you get breakfast as well, so it's not too bad. Nice room as well. Okay, we've just had a little motorbike ride over to this side of the island. It's our last day on Koh Larn today. Yeah, I did say we're only coming for the day because the island's not that big, so there's not a whole lot to do here. But it is really nice coming here, especially coming from Pattaya. It's like having a holiday while you're on holiday. We're gonna go check out this beach down here. We haven't been to this one yet. So yeah, we've got an hour to kill, so we're gonna get a drink over at this beach and see what it's like. This is a nice beach. Probably the nicest beach I've been on since I've been here. Nice and quiet as well. And the water is crystal clear. It's actually really nice. So we're just chilling out here at the beach now for another hour. Don't really need much else. Okay, so while we've been relaxing, the flip-flop's gone all the way out to sea, but we can see it, so we're going to try and get it. Okay guys, we're getting out of here now. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I have making it. If you're coming to Pattaya and you want a nice relaxing day out, get a boat over to Koh Larn because it's great here. It's like a holiday within a holiday. It's pretty cheap as well. You can explore the whole island by motorbike, and there's loads of little hotels like this one where you get a room and a motorbike and breakfast all included in the price, which is great. Coming up on the channel, we've got a change of plans, so there's going to be a lot of new and exciting content for you guys. That is going to be a change from what it already is now. If you could do me a favour and subscribe to the channel, that'd be great. That'd help me out. Cheers guys, peace, see you in the next one.